got a 2017 Ford F-150. What's going around with this truck? They're stealing the tailgate. Either that or busting out your window and taking whatever they can. Everybody knows better to open a door because that will set off the factory alarm. So the thing with the factory alarm, they don't have any type of impact sensor. It's all if you open the door and that's it, or the hood. They don't put any type of sensor on any type of pin switch or nothing on the tailgate, so the tailgate can be stolen. So yeah, so we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system, which that way he doesn't have to carry another fob around or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. That will set off the alarm. Turn it off, you just hit unlock the same way. And then we gave him the pin switch. It's hard to show you guys because in this particular truck, when you're on the alarm, it locks the doors, it locks the tailgate. So, you know, it's hard for me to illustrate it. I'll have to hold a pin, and I don't want to bore you in the video, but yeah, if somebody breaks in and busts a lock back there, that will fire off the factory alarm system. Yeah, it works evenly, perfectly on both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this other side right here, and you'll notice that the alarm is gonna fire off too. This shock sensor add-on is on this 2017 Ford F-150. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.